Meet the Cisco Webex Board. It's an all-in-one device that brings together everything you need for physical meetings, remote meetings, and pre- and post-meeting collaboration.
The board is a wireless presentation screen, a digital whiteboard, and a video conferencing system, all in a sleek, intelligent, and simple-to-use device.
It comes in 3 sizes, 55, 70, and 85 inches, to support co-creation in spaces of any size.
A discrete 4K camera is embedded into the display for gorgeous video, and a built-in 12 microphone array delivers a high-fidelity experience. Wireless sharing eliminates the need for unsightly wires and cables, while the 4K screen lets your presentations come across in crystal-clear high definition. The Webex board is as intelligent as it is beautiful. It automatically detects and greets you when you enter the room and recommends activities. You can simply start your meetings with the touch of a button or from the Cisco Webex Teams or Meetings apps.
Or you could just use your voice commands. Okay, Webex, start my meeting. Other artificial intelligence features let it auto-frame everyone in the room for the best possible view and amplify the voice of the active speaker.
The Webex board has advanced whiteboarding capabilities, and you can do it so easily with your finger or your Cisco Webex pen.
It also connects to the whiteboarding feature on any Webex Teams app-enabled device, so multiple people can co-create simultaneously in the same room or from thousands of miles away. Webex Meetings users can also view whiteboards as they're being shared from the board. Don't forget to explore other advanced whiteboarding features, like annotate on shared content, pinch zoom, undo,
and stickies directly on the board using just your fingers. But collaboration and ideation don't have to stop once your meeting is over. With the Webex Teams app, all team members can access content and continue discussions at their convenience.
So progress continues unimpeded before, during, and even after.